Good morning po, Sir Leo, and this is my presentation of history of tourism during the Renaissance Elizabethan era. Introduction. Tourism during the Renaissance and Elizabethan eras reflected the changes in society, culture, and exploration of the time. In the Renaissance, travel became a way for nobles and scholars to experience art, science, and education across Europe, while pilgrimages and cultural visits were also common in the Elizabethan era. Tourism focused more on entertainment with theaters, festivals, and domestic travel becoming popular. These two periods helped shape the foundation of modern tourism as we know it today. Renaissance tourism. During the Renaissance, tourism focused on culture, education, and religion. Wealthy nobles and scholars traveled across Europe, especially to Italy, to study arts, science, and philosophy. The tradition of the Grand Tour began where young aristocrats visited cities like Rome and Florence. Pilgrimage also continued with people visiting religious sites, while cathedrals, palaces, and artworks attracted many visitors. Yung sa ano daw po, sa Renaissance, during the Renaissance, yung Renaissance po, sinape po nila yung modern tourism by sa pagpo-promote ng travel po, sa pag-learning, sa pag-aaral ng art and culture. While pilgrimage naman po is nag-encourage po silang bumisita ng history and religious sites. Ayun lang po. Then yung proceed na po sa second part. Elizabethan tourism. In the Elizabethan era, tourism centered on entertainment, exploration, and local travel. London became a popular destination for theatre lovers with Shakespeare Globe Theatre, drawing large crowds. Nobles and wealthy families toured castles, countrysides, estates, and gardens for leisure. Festivals and fairs attracted both locals and visitors, while England's age of exploration inspired curiosity and travel to new places. So, during Elizabethan tourism po, nag-contribute po yung Elizabethan tourism nag-contribute po sa modern tourism by sa pagpo-promote nila ng entertainments sa theater, festivals, and fairs. In-encourage po nila yung mga local travel to castles and sa estates po, and inspire exploration that nag-lead po sa curiosity nila about sa mga bagong lugar po. Legacy and influence on modern tourism. Tourism during the Renaissance and Elizabethan era influenced many practices we see today. The Renaissance tradition of cultural and educational travel shaped modern cultural tourism, such as visiting museums and historic cities. Elizabethan era theater paved the way for today's entertainment tourism like Broadway and West End shows. Pilgrimage grew into modern religious tourism, while the spirit of exploration inspired international travel around the world. Yung influence po ng tourism sa the legacy and yung legacy po and influence sa tourism from the Renaissance and Elizabethan eras. Ano po, meron siyang malaking value na nag-shape sa modern travel, cultural, and educational sa tourism. Including na rin po yung sa pagbibisita ng museums and historic sites stems from traditions na in-establish sa mga periods po na yan. So, and additionally lang po sa the spirit of exploration na din and entertainment from theatrical performances to global travel na nag-continue po to inspire contemporary tourism practices worldwide po. Ayun lang po, maraming salamat po.